Welcome to my channel, and today I will show you this amazing book, Foraging in the UK in June, with recipes, written by, like says the forager, it's me. So I wrote this book about what you can forage in the UK in June. It's all plants, all flowers, all nuts which you can find in June and use for cooking. Every piece of information is equipped with nice pictures which I make in the forest by myself, and also some flowers and also almost all of them are equipped with recipes which you can use directly for cooking. Some of them even with pictures. For example, let's have a look. See how many nice pictures. For example, this pizza or some other recipes. So I've described how to cook this lovely dish, and you can repeat it with wild mushrooms or plants which you can find in June in the forest. So if you're interested in this book, you can buy it electronically or paper version. This is this nice picture of the salad from dandelions from Amazon. You can find the link to this book in the description. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and wait for an interesting video, and of course buy this book and give me some feedback about this book. It will be very interesting. Thank you. Bye.